TV so bedwon dwumadi so dia wo kan se on sempa sa kana no pensu ja medin de Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudie catch back pe the only nomenclature of the professor's degree in sports the Al Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and mesin kunya na me kono kwanten koden sama do sa kana no pensu biun e wo Ghana agudiem ejao catch abusuafo enamfo oyere oma wo fasefo na mu krom no mprafo ina se prof nya trasia ye de agokensi on sempa sa kana no pensu 8 sejao she no soma me biun se nyuma konye mienu Richoko maka chode da se Richoko no betimi din so nwa abo obetimi din so sha abo Richoko yoketwa e wadentem anafi obode no hono setimi ka bia obetimi asabo start your day with Richoko eno show ne boa emanyama 1822 ye edma game park games enso de chacha so kwatian samba boys dia edi no enya asem ketwa kwa fisa bre ko de bomodin da se obemoni edi Adom TV achi san se anopa ye de draw ne bro na afi so awia ye de draw na bro na afanyumre ye de draw na bro on daily basis na eba so be 3 times into the 20 day achi betian sabo emwanya more mula ewo dwumadi a uguso edi wemu ene sponsors ne mu tuturu to ne twetwere twa mo tachira boa emena no penso ye de nkomo no so etin abrel yen hyase mfamfi eye EPL Manchester Saudi twensa PM Tottenham Hotspur iti mechi eye Fulham etwam 2-0 ewo Mackenzie na South was being quarter final clash second leg encounter match 2 and beating Sabaso El Ali Beton said the first December and 2 p.m. and beating Basona from Melody Sundowns and Petro di Luanda and the boss and also 5 p.m. and Asakins case and beating Satu Yashan mom say Africans a game near the way a different African game electrifying and spiritual now feels so explosive but more the other say obetimi when you said about Adom TV so now feels so Asempa 94.7 FM now feels so Adom 106.3 FM so African game no and they don't come 18 years now. Yes, shall say on the 20th of October, Namia Doma, 11th of November, a bit media kugu Africa skills no and HS and I feel so cross strength, speed, excitement, drama, and I feel so suspense no creativity na display no too much. I was game it myself and now do any 8 years DH. Teams are agent ADC Akan or the maiden edition no LL 4 TP Mazembe Esperance Imba Sundowns now face with that and no agent $14.4 million and it was I so kuma utimi nkruma na sesika ye chama mo e wo twumadi no intimi so we AFL African Football League the home of African game and afi a game on our soil and ye the Airbus way African air talent and ye showcase you ye can African Football League no wajeme so say our football our stars our time omoto achiri pa ne this san Chelsea queen ebetimi asabro quickly yensen to na mo fa ni intimi sanche UEFA Champions League ne matches na 8 yensan to aso biu e wo eye emiamia ahodo no na Asempa 94.7 FM live commentary between Sabro na o sena niam ACL kwenti yekom na ofi hwese na hye na ACL kwa na se Galatasaray beton sere fe Bayern Munich no ma hye kan Inter Milan and Salzburg be hye kan Benfica and Real Sociedad Braga beton sere fe Real Madrid na Felen and to side fe PSV Eindhoven Manchester United ne FC Copenhagen and be hye na fe Sevilla to side fe Arsenal na o Edia Boss Union Berlin and Napoli and they are against the betia Pims way UEFA Champions League group stage gamer and also a bit in Samba so also and mapone kakra e dia ma ehun se na hye Asia kwanyame adoma e be di achi na afia hye na nema Asia ko e wo sa adwumadi nim afia de ni 8 years achire mu enso e won krafom dia former Ghana midfielder Emmanuel Ajimanbedu on also a challenge the current blaster players no so almost step up omo performance ne dia anwene ne se kra ahead of the 2023 African Cup of Nations e bit aba so la Cote d'Ivoire no wo hwe nim se sa adwumadi no on the 13th of January and 11th of February 2024 ne na Ghana yegina mu twintwan.
I think normally it's difficult for me talking about players because of where I am coming from. But my colleagues, I'm begging them at least to add a little to what they are doing. The coach can do whatever he can do. But when he selects you on the field, he's not on the field to tell you when you reach it, you need to shoot. Now what we are relying on is on individual brilliance, which is not helping the team. So the kind of players we are relying on, if in case on that particular day they have a bad day, what will happen to the team? Because now we are relying that whatever it is, Pate should play well, Kudu should play well, Nyema should play well. It's football, everything can happen. So if tomorrow you go to Afghan, Pate don't have a good day, Kudu doesn't have a good day, what will happen to the team? It's hard time that we need to be a bit hard on them, but to manage it very well because some are very young. They are now coming into the team who doesn't know the kind of experience we have there. But my colleagues, I'm begging them, I'm using this strong media to beg them. It's difficult for me to talk about them, but
Emmanuel Ajmanbedu Nikanika ana amafo bone samane fe no ko bie ne share so ko pimo se kwa horma odum sampa papa we ken kon pa we sia kan ma Blasters ne pen o shase national under 20 team momo ana omo pen so omo peja Frank Adigina kunkon edema Ghana nei Ajmanbedu ofia ne sika onya obom no odi ne kakra na o ka chenwanem se omo yiro ho nya sadia African Cup of Nations betia basola Cote d'Ivoire no e wo konwene ne sen ede ama o Ghana nanu ada amafo beka wo Dr. Kwame Sports Complex no Nations Football Club for ebom home match a womne Kumase Krobia Asante Kroko na de pem so na a local derby until team sampa sa team na womo ewo Asante 90 minutes of soccer fiesta na akwa 2-2 emu kotoko supporters no edwa bruta etutu nkonya na team sampa na course no na enye ni so ene Dr. Kwame Chiankasa akasem efa ne course no
basebia ensuo ne konwa na yetutu ne sem ni nyina no emwa Ghana puntu
sure
because you see no ohwa afena ake nyina ye bamu kakra god ye maye no ebeka obi so mama abeye bi ba eba se ye se no ma wo na ne kuro ni se ne akikire no
I see
entwa ye na me dia si nyina na esi no besre se dia ba nyina no obi anya bibia enkonwa na ase enkonwa ebetra nya ye yenua yi stadium na esi no ekotoko fobia
won se ka ho
bia wa ha bia ya sante hin dia
enti Dr. Kwame wono ana ne ba ebobuku any Nations Football Club na afia manfo be kan no na ono so executive board chairman edema Krobia Asante Kroko nei o wateni bobuku a na no da nkoma piem no se nya nika na mum sa Asante ma binya so denti no o hwe nim se kwa bia so no obi a ekoma betonis area ewo sansem yachi but no outstanding game back with 20 of bibia ni Gold Stars and Hearts of Lions the pride of Igbe also able to highlights no nie and former player of the club afei odene komoja se ohwe ni defense na womo anedi ohwemo kakre san se omne di kan enya 2 early goals na nka se omutimi to pampim wachiro se be a obia emetika.
Actually, it was a very, very difficult game. Let me credit the opponent. I think they were very tactical, disciplined. It was a game that we wanted to win at all costs, and then we got the first 2 goals. And then I think defensively, and then tactically we couldn't defend very good, and then they were able to equalize the 2 goals. It's very, very unfortunate game, but we go back to the drawing board and then make sure we better our game next game.
BBN Gold Stars head coach Michael Ose oye Ghana ni ana fenso okita a German passport and atene kaso de nkomo eja efasira nyama esie course akensi but despite say ukremu a Mando out of France for etimi asan enya draw atoto so makoma ko bese num no on pre friend say eye Fatal Salifu ejide pass nyame adoma wo mo ebetimi edinkunim e wo matches ahodo a aka wo manim.
As a new entrance, of course, we know how the league goes for all new entrants, and we're still looking for our win. Of course, like I already mentioned in the first interview, that we play so well in most of our games, but it's just that the scoring is sometimes the challenge we have. But this evening, you can see that we utilized at least 2 of our chances that gave us at least a point. We could have gone home without a point. But at least scoring today tells me that it is coming, of course, and I'm sure we'll be winning matches to come.
Mando out of Lions for head coach, friend say Fatal Salifu, and I say win, eminent now until Moshe Nim Senyami Adoma, won't beat me said Dim Kunim. After week 6, said at table no AC Airco Edema Air Clubs, Audra, also 18 Sanchez on Bobre, our Ghana Premier League. No. So far, there are 6 matches, but if you have 5, it's say outstanding games be Ewo, Ukum Hessan and Yama AC Qua. Nelson Stratamai ended up first on the league log. About 5 matches there, but 10 points. Hosamates at a second with 10 points. Stanable for quarter third with 10 points. Tamale City almost at a fourth. One more 10 points. Adriana Stars at the 5. Womoso Ejinem Denepa with 9 points. Great Olympus at the 6th with 9 points. Kotoko at the 7th with 9 points. Now fans will be Gold Stars at the 8th with 8 points. Now Legon City so at the 9th with 8 points. Jeans Football Club at the 10th club on the logger. Womoso 8 points. Oma Kinsia wɔn ɛde 10 times so no emu nti kom ɛhwɛ sɛ na 11th position no ɛbrekum Chelsea or 7 points after Bicham United abɛda 12th position was 7 points Karela Football Club ɛda 13th for 6 points Mando Heart of Flowers, the Pride of Igbe, one at the 14th with 5 points. Now for Nations Football Club, now that Omne Kotokobo 2-2, now for Kunya 2-2, and the PM our channel, also just 5 points, almost at the 15th, 16th, Accra House of Folk, Phobia never say die. As she look at the Cananum, young Contomran, Tenutim Sampene, one come to Budia Austra, and we see you cry a bit ATM, almost at the 5 points no more, but Ushima na say one more at the 16th position. Accra now Senkanjata at the 17th with 5 points now Fitima. Ware da see Okrano 18th position no Mediama Sporting Club or just 4 points, but we bought 4 matches or 2 outstanding games to play. So with me we need 2 outstanding games now. Say with me afa 6 points ehonum nti ebia obehwe afiase na wabeda aseo baby na afia hwese na nema ebesi akọ ede amom we na megina na enen so esoma me de bre we kensim no me di ebesi hye no soma me say Ritual Co. I've always told you say all start today na per se timi enaro show right there Ritual Co. ne betia sambo Ritual Co. no obetimi de so hye aye obetimi so edi so nyu enso etia sambo ye wo ketwa ye wadantem na afia obode ura supermarket bi mu na say kofi na wanyi Ritual Co. dia na say won kodi dwae timi so omoden da say obetia start today no wanya ne right in a Ghanaian way Ritual Co. and betia boa game park games enso de chacha so kwatwa samba amanfo twa etwa no na dia edi no enya asem ketwa kwanti utwa nko ade a obedi enitimi so omoden da say obetia follow draw no ewo Adom TV so anopa awia enanwumre na sa draw etwa sato from madama wo me techre bo me no penso ye dia wo kansi won sempa nsaka etimi jawo within the prof EK wala sakudi catch back up the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports and I'm general of course evidence based sports presentation etime breo erade entinenima onye okese enyife bi ni da so ni na on found call be ni da so the act of being a good guest is to know how to say goodbye.